Hi everyone, today in this tutorial I will show you how to create a dual lightning effect on image in Photoshop, and I will speak slow so you can easily adjust. This video is for beginners and I will use some advanced techniques to create a dual lightning effect. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, we have to make the duplicate of that layer. Just right click and click duplicate layer. Hit OK. After that, we have to click on select subject. You can do it manually as well by selecting the quick selection tool. Otherwise, in the latest version of Photoshop, we have this option already available. I will click on it and Adobe Photoshop will automatically senses and select the subject. So we have to wait for a few seconds then until it creates a complete selection. So the Adobe Photoshop has now selected the whole subject. You have to do now, just go to this option. It will create a group. After that, we have to create on a layer mask. So it will create a layer mask in this group and all the selections and the adjustments made in this group. Okay, after that, now we have to go and select the adjustment layer called as black and white. Then we have to click on this. Make sure the foreground color is white. If in case it is inverted, you just click on that and it will create a default option. Foreground will be a black and background will be a white color. After that, we have to go and select the next adjustment layer called as gradient map. After that, it will create a same grid map. As look in this area, right side is white and black is for dark areas. Just click on it, just click on this slide bar and click on color, and we have to choose a color like a bluish one. So the code for that is 002FF. So just hit OK and click OK to close the gradient editor. After that, to make it more realistic, we have to change its blend mode to hard light. If you think it's too sharp, you can reduce its brightness to 90%. After that, by selecting this, we have to go to brush tool and make sure the foreground color should be black. Go to this menu bar, select the brush size to 150 and the hardness make sure should be 0. Opacity and flow is totally up to you, how much brush in which type of quantity you want to make the brush on the image. Zoom into the picture and just brush over the area where you want to make the second lighting effect. That will be a red one. You can reduce its opacity and flow to 70% and just make the brush of the area. You can reduce the opacity to 50% and just make the brush over the areas where you want to make the red effect. In this case, I have just removed and brush over the area where I need to make the red light over the right side of the body. So for that reason, I have to make the duplicate of that gradient map layer. Just go and right click and duplicate the layer, hit OK. After that, you can see it create a dual effect of white color on just the left side of the image. We have to invert this by pressing Ctrl and I command to make it invert, so that there will be no effect apply on the just one side. After that, just click on that area, click on the menu bar and just click on this slider and go to color. Choose a full red color. You can see the hexacode of that. Hit OK and then hit again OK to close the gradient editor. You can see somehow some areas the red effect is now applied. We have to go there, go to brush tool there and click, make sure the foreground color is now white, and then just color it again. Click all over, just paint over all over the body where you want. So you can see the picture is now ready. Let me show you the difference. This was the image and this is the dual effect. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. This is was today's tutorial. Hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button.